Hey everyone, this is Troy with IoT on Main Street. So today we're going to kind of shoot a quick unedited raw video trying to help you out if you got a new desktop or a laptop for the holidays, or just, for any reason, setting up your Windows 11 to where you can bypass setting up a Microsoft email and account. So we are doing this on a Lenovo, and we're firing up, it's a Lenovo ThinkCentre. And in the past, way back when you get Windows 10, like in 2015, you didn't have to do this. I don't remember when they started doing this a couple years ago. It did start with Windows 10. This is Windows 11. It's just nice if you want to bypass this to where you don't have to set up an Outlook account or a Live or a Microsoft account. The way we're going to do this is once we get to this place, to this prompt, we're going to try and set this up without internet connectivity and bypass it. So we're going to hit Shift and F10. That brings up the command line prompt. And then what we're going to do is we're going to type in 00BE / bypass NRO. Okay? So we're going to do 00BE and then our / and then bypass NRO. Okay, so we've got that typed in. All right. Looks like everything's right. We hit enter. You're going to notice it's going to reboot. Give us just a moment. Okay. There we go. So now it's actually rebooting our desktop. And once we get to this point, we ought to be able to bypass and set up with limited setup. Just a moment. There's our Windows 11 prompt again. Okay, United States, yes. Is this the right keyboard? Yes. Do we want to add a second? We're going to skip that. This is what we just created by using that, okay? I don't have internet. So now if we wouldn't have put that prompt in, you would have seen I have internet. Once you have internet, you're going to have to enter in your ID. So we're going to continue with limited setup. We're going to accept the terms. You can read through all of these. Done that many times. We're going to accept. Okay, so this one, we're going to put in our client's name. So we're just going to put user for right now. We can switch that later in user profile settings. We're not going to put a password on this one for right now. Okay, our privacy settings, you can choose all these. If you want to do location, diagnostic data, you can kind of put whatever you want. All right, we'll let you guys figure that stuff out. Advertising tailored to you. I shut those off for now. Just a moment. Hi. Getting things ready for you. So we just bypassed that to where we don't have to set up that ID. Okay. We're going to be putting out a bunch of videos just with tips and things that make things easier when you're using technology. So thanks a lot for watching IoT on Main Street, and we'll talk to you soon.